English grammar, causative verbs. These verbs help us talk about making, ordering, or allowing someone to do something. Let's begin. So, we have got the introduction of causative verbs. In the introduction of causative verbs, we have got some three definitions of causative verbs. Number one, we use causative verbs when we don't perform an action directly, we get it done indirectly by someone else. हम causative verbs इस्तेमाल करते हैं जब एक काम जो हम खुद नहीं करते, बराह रास्त नहीं करते, हम इसे किसी और से करवाते हैं. Second definition, causative verbs show that one person causes another person to do something. Causative verbs जाहिर करते हैं जब एक शख्स किसी और शख्स के काम के करने का सबब बनता है. Third, you don't do the action yourself, you make someone else do it. आप काम खुद नहीं करते हैं, आप इसे किसी और से करवाते हैं. Next, in the introduction of causative verbs, there are two persons involved in causative verbs. Causative verbs में दो लोग शामिल होते हैं. Number one, subject. Second, agent. What is subject? It gets the work done indirectly. वो जो काम बराह रास्त नहीं करता है, मतलब किसी और से करवाता है, it is called subject in causative verbs. Agent, it gets the work done directly. वो जो काम बराह रास्त करता है, मतलब खुद करता है, in causative verbs is called agent. There are two very important notes about subject and agent in causative verbs. Note number one, subject is always present in causative verbs. Causative verbs में subject हमेशा मौजूद रहता है. Note number two, agent is sometimes present but sometimes absent in causative verbs. Agent बाज़ औक़ात मौजूद, लेकिन बाज़ औक़ात ये मौजूद नहीं रहता है causative verbs में. Next, in the introduction of causative verbs, we will discuss the number of causative verbs. So, the causative verbs are 6 in number. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. First one is make, second is get, third is have, fourth is help, fifth is let, sixth is cause. And we have got the different forms of these 6 causative verbs, different 5 forms. So next we have got two very other important notes regarding causative verbs. Number one, causative verbs are used in all 12 tenses. Causative verbs को तमाम 12 tenses में इस्तेमाल करते हैं. Note number two, all the causative verbs have same meaning in Urdu, but there is difference in their intensity or usage. तमाम causative verbs की जो उर्दू मानी है वो एक जैसे हैं, लेकिन इनके इस्तेमाल या इख्तियार में फ़र्क है. So here we have got our first causative verb, which is make. It is used when we force or compel someone to do a work. हम causative verb make को इस्तेमाल करते हैं जब हम किसी पर दबाव डालते हैं कि वो कोई काम करे या उसे मजबूर करते हैं कि कोई काम करे. So we have got both with agent and without agent sentences. So what is the formula for causative verb make with agent? Subject plus helping verbs. हम parenthesis brackets में use कर रहे हैं helping verbs क्योंकि present indefinite और past indefinite tense में helping verbs simple sentences में use नहीं होते. Therefore और बाकी जो tenses हैं उनके simple sentences में we use helping verbs plus causative verb which is make. Agent हम use करते हैं, यहाँ agent मौजूद है which does the work directly. Plus first form, we always use first form of verb in causative verbs make with agent plus object plus full stop. What's the first sentence? He makes Aslam play cricket. वो असलम से क्रिकेट कहलवाता है. I made him bring me a glass of water. मैंने उसे एक गिलास पानी मंगवाया. She will make me teach English. वो मुझसे इंग्लिश पढ़वाएगी. So now you can see here we have used make causative verb with agent and their Urdu sentences. The rest of the sentences you will read yourselves and you will also translate them into Urdu. If you have any questions, any confusion, any objection, you can have your comment in the comment box. Opposite to with agent in causative verb make, we have got without agent. What is the formula for causative verb make without agent? Subject plus helping verbs, causative verb plus object plus first form of verb. Here we use first form of verb after the object in causative verb make without agent. यहाँ फर्स्ट फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब यूज होता है ऑब्जेक्ट के बाद. So what's the sentence? He makes cricket play. वो cricket कहलवाता है. Now see, you can see here we do not have agent here, but we have subject present in causative verb make without agent sentence. I made a glass of water drink. मैंने एक गिलास पानी मंगवाया. अब यहाँ एजेंट मौजूद नहीं है, तो दो रीजंस हो सकते हैं कि एजेंट मौजूद है, या हमें पहले से पता है या हमें पता ही नहीं कि मैं, या कोई बताना नहीं चाहता है कि मैं एक गिलास पानी किससे मैंने मंगवाया. शी विल मेक इंग्लिश टीच. वो इंग्लिश पढ़वाएगी. इन द सेम वे द रेस्ट ऑफ द सेंटेंसेस ऑफ causative make verb make you will read yourselves and you will also be translating. If you have any questions, you can comment it in the comment box. Next we have got causative verb get. It is used when we persuade or convince someone to do a work. causative verb get को इस्तेमाल करते हैं जब हम किसी को आमादा या कायल करते हैं कि वो कोई काम करे. So first we have got with agent, subject plus helping verbs, again in parentheses because sometimes these helping verbs are used but sometimes they are not used, plus causative verb which is get, agent which is present here, plus to, plus first form of verb. Here we use to, but in causative verb make we were not using, plus object plus full stop. So what's the first sentence for causative verb get with agent? He gets Aslam to play cricket. वो असलम से क्रिकेट कहलवाता है. I got him to bring me a glass of water. मैंने उससे एक गिलास पानी मंगवाया. She will get me to teach English. वो मुझसे इंग्लिश पढ़वाएगी. Opposite to causative verb get with agent, we have got without agent. What is the formula? Subject plus helping verbs plus causative verb plus object plus third form. Here we use third form of verb after object, but in causative verb make we were using first form of verb. What is the first sentence for causative verb get without agent? He gets cricket played. वो क्रिकेट कहलवाता है. I got a glass of water brought. मैंने एक गिलास पानी मंगवाया. She will get English taught. वो इंग्लिश पढ़वाएगी. So the rest of the sentences you will read yourselves, you will translate them into Urdu, and if you have any questions, confusion, objection, you can comment it in the comment box, so I'll be there to reply you. Third causative verb is have. It is used when we ask or instruct someone to do a work. हम causative verb have को इस्तेमाल करते हैं जब हम किसी से इल्तिजा करते हैं कि वो कोई काम करें, या हम उसको उसे हिदायत करते हैं कि वो कोई काम करें. So we have got causative verb with had, with have with agent. What's the formula? Subject plus helping verbs, causative verb, agent plus first form of verb plus object plus full stop. If we talk about the formula of causative verb have with agent, same is the formula for causative verb make with agent, but here we have. So what is the first sentence? He has Aslam play cricket. वो असलम से क्रिकेट कहलवाता है. Here we are not forcing, we are not compelling, we are not persuading, we are not convincing, but we are asking or we are instructing here. I had him bring me a glass of water. मैंने उसे एक गिलास पानी मंगवाया. She will have me teach English. वो मुझसे इंग्लिश पढ़वाएगी. So the rest of the sentences you can read yourselves and translate. Second, opposite to with agent, causative verb have, we have got without agent, subject plus helping verbs in parentheses because sometimes helping verbs are used but sometimes they are not used, plus causative verb which is have plus object plus third form. So here we use third form of verb object. Now if we see this formula, same formula was used for causative verb get without agent. So but here we are discussing have. He has cricket played. वो क्रिकेट कहलवाता है. Second sentence, I had a glass of water brought. मैंने एक गिलास पानी मंगवाया. She will have English taught. वो इंग्लिश पढ़वाएगी. Rest of the sentences you can read yourselves. If there are questions, you can ask me in the comment box.